Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Snapchat Pixel. So before you do anything, make sure that your Snapchat is fully updated to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and what I'm going to do, if you want to set up your own Snapchat Pixel, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down, log in to Ads Manager. Next, click the menu at the top corner and select Pixels. Then next, click Create Pixel. And then next, name your pixel and click Create. Eventually, you can select the ad account that you like to share to the pixel, and you can select the ad account that you would like to share the pixel to by typing the ad account name in the search box, and you're gonna be able to link your account pixel to that thing. Alright, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.